We're going to make a Frito chili cheese wrap. This is kind of a play on your Frito pie. Obviously, we're going to use some Fritos. We have chili also. I'm not using the Wendy's chili this time. We're using Hormel. I'm going to heat this up right here at home. Then we got some cheese, tortillas. I'm going to throw this right into just any saucepan you have, and you just want to get it warm. You could honestly microwave it. You could even put it in cold if you're going to cook the burrito like I'm going to. I'm going to add a little bit of water, though, just to kind of rinse down the sides and give it a little something to evaporate as it heats. I'm going to add a little cheese also in there too, which is going to help kind of bind it and bring it together. That way it's not just like a sloppy mess. Frito pie is really delicious. Sonic has a great Frito chili cheese wrap, which is kind of what I'm basing this off of, and it tastes identical to it. So if you're into just like meaty chili with Fritos, the nice saltiness and the cheese, this is definitely for you. Check it out at Sonic too, so you get an idea of what it tastes like. But once you get that chili nice and warm, we're going to assemble this. It comes together. This is probably 5 minutes total. Really, really fun to make, really delicious and easy. Also, just make a Frito pie also. You just pour the chili right into that bag of Fritos and add the cheese and everything in there, and you kind of eat it. It's like one of those walking tacos. But we're going to lay Fritos down here first. I'm going to top it with a little bit of cheese just so you get it from both sides. And then we're going to throw that chili right into it. You don't want to do too much. When I cut it in half, it's going to look a little understuffed. But that's because the chili is liquidy. It's a little gloopy. Too much of it, you're just going to have issues with the burrito kind of blowing out and becoming messy. It's messy enough as is, so don't overstuff them. Add a little bit of cheese there onto the top of the chili, and then just fold this up. Easiest way is to bring the sides in and then roll it. I'm going to push a little bit of that chili out of the bottom because a little bit of that liquid gets loose, but try to make sure you're not ripping the burrito, going too tight with it. You could eat this right now as is. I'm going to take it one step further, and we're just going to throw it in a pan with a little bit of any oil you want to use, or butter, and just kind of brown both sides, top and bottom. Helps keep it sealed, and it also gives it a nice little bit of crunch on the outside. It'll melt that cheese a little nicely too, even though your chili is hot. And that's it. You're done. Pop that out, cut it in half. You're good to go. The Fritos, I keep wanting to call them Cheetos. That would be good too. See, it looks a little understuffed, but trust me, every bite is delicious. Try this. Let me know what you think. The Fritos get kind of melty, which is great.